Congratulations! You are watching this video because you have just published your online store. In this video, you are going to learn how to make your first $5,000 by following our ultimate marketing checklist. Getting your first real customer is a significant milestone for any business. If you are an online store, the first task is to drive enough traffic to your store. So let's dive in. First things first, expose your brand to the audience. Instead of over-perfecting your look and feel, share the link with your friends and family and close-knit communities and wait for their feedback. You can always tweak things later. Secondly, start with low-hanging fruits. Offer discount codes to entice your customers and spread the word about your online ordering platform on your social channels. And to speed up the process, add your store URLs to all your social profiles, if you haven't done this already. Next, build an email list, and entice them with offers so that they can keep coming for more. Pro tip: promote your offer on niched communities across the web. Share your live link as much as you can to attract the desired traffic. And last but not the least, if you want to take it a notch higher, you can always upgrade to the Order a Marketing plan to start using tools like coupons, loyalty programs, BOGO and cross-sell. For instance, a coffee shop offered BOGO as their launch offer and shared their live link on Facebook, including groups, Instagram Story, LinkedIn and various communities on Telegram, Discord and Reddit. Result: they saw a huge spurt in sales, and got 120 orders within 2 days of launch. So, what are you waiting for? Follow our marketing checklist and see your sales soar within 90 days. Need help with sales and marketing? Reach out to us at 407-996-6666, or write to us at info@orderum.com.